is National Preparedness Month, so let's talk about emergency kits. Starting with a first aid kit. It should include things like Band-Aids and antibiotic ointment. Next, bottles of water or sports drinks to keep you hydrated. You'll also want to include any medications you might need, including Tylenol. Canned foods like garbanzo beans will also come in handy. Other shelf-stable foods like protein bars are also good to have on hand. And of course, you'll want to have